here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do the tutorial for I Ain't Sayin. This is a beginner dance, or maybe a high beginner, by Ed Evangelista, who choreographed this. The artist is Jordan Davis. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance, and because it's a beginner dance, I'm going to take it a little slower while I'm teaching. So we're going to put the weight on the left foot, and we're going to step diagonally forward on the right and tap the left in. We're going to step that left back and tap the right in, and then on the diagonal do step, together, step, tap. Now to the left foot is free, diagonal, step, step, tap with the right, step back on the diagonal with the right, and step back with the left. Take 2 steps forward on the diagonal, left, right, left, but give me a scuff instead of bringing your feet together. Okay, those are the first 8 counts. So here we go again. Forward tap, back tap, 2 step forwards, tap on the diagonal, on the left diagonal. Step tap, step back tap, 2 steps forward, together step and a scuff. The counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't that great? We're halfway through the dance. 2 8s is 16. Now, this next step is a jazz box. Some of you may be familiar with it, some of you may not. I'm just going to do a jazz box playing so you can practice it. Right leg crosses over the left on 1. Left leg goes back, 2. Right leg goes side, 3. And left leg goes forward, 4. So that is cross, back, side, front. Now, you can turn a quarter on a jazz box by going cross the front 1, taking it slightly back on the diagonal 2, taking it the full quarter on 3, and then stepping forward on 4. So this dance gives you a quarter turn. You cross, you back, you side, and then you scuff. Now you do a jazz box with the left foot. Cross, but we're not going to turn. Back, side, and scuff. So this jazz box is ending with a scuff. One more time. We have cross the right, back on the left, side to the right, scuff the left. And cross on the left, back on the right, side on the left, and scuff on the right. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that is quite fast in the music, so I suggest you spend a bit of time learning jazz boxes. They're in so many dances, it's a staple. Now going on from that, we are going to take, you have your foot scuffed up. We're going to do a toe strut, which is toe heel with the right, facing 3 o'clock. Repeat toe heel with the left, and then we're going to do a V step. We step wide with the right, wide with the left, bring that right back, and the left brings it together. It goes open, open, close, together. So the counts from the toe struts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seeing as the first part's easy, let's go from the jazz boxes with the counts. We have cross 1, back 2, side 3, scuff 4, cross 1, back 2, side 3, scuff 4, and toe and a heel and a toe and a heel. Open, open, close, together. Okay, the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, tap, step, together, step, tap, step, together, step, scuff, cross, back, side, scuff, cross, back, side, scuff, toe, heel, open, open, close, together. And again, the V step. Practice it, but it's easy. I'll do it facing you. Open, open, close, together. It's a nice way to do 4 counts. You can do some hips. Open, open, close, together. Add a little flair to it. Okay, now I'm going to do it on the second wall, which is at 3 o'clock. Starts on the diagonal, right diagonal, tap the left in, back and tap, 2 steps diagonal and a tap. Left step, tap diagonal, back diagonal, 2 steps diagonal with a scuff. Box, 2, 3, scuff. Box, 2, 3, scuff. Toe strut, V step, close together. Now let's do it at 6 o'clock. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, we have step, step, together, step, scuff, step, together, step, scuff, cross, 2, 3, scuff, cross, 2, 3, scuff, toe, heel, open, open, close, together. And there it is. So I have done the demo to it, which will be going live today at 4:30, which is July the 13th. And I'm now going to put this on YouTube. Please like, share, make a comment, and most of all, subscribe. I'm trying to reach 125 subscribers. I don't know where I am. I'm at 114, I think. Anyway, enjoy. Thank you for watching my channel, and I will be making some